So hello guys, I'm gonna talk about developing an activity diagram. So the semi-column is identifying and describing the basic principles and diagram components and diagram symbols and notations of the developing an activity diagram. Let's go to the first slide. So this is the basic principles of activity diagram. As you can see, the basic purposes of activity diagrams is similar to other four diagrams. It captures the dynamic behavior of a system. Other four diagrams are used to show the message flow from one object to another, but activity diagrams is used to show message flow from one activity to another. Activity is practically a portion of the system. Activity diagrams are not only used for visualizing and dynamic nature of a system, but they are also used to construct the executable system by using forward and reverse engineering techniques. And it does not show any message flow from one activity to another. Activity diagram is sometimes considered as the flowchart. Although the diagram look like a flowchart, they are not. It shows different flows such as parallel, branch, concurrent, and single. And the purpose of an activity diagram can be described as draw the activity flow of a system, describe sequence of another activity to another, describe the parallel, branch, and concurrent flow of the system. Activity diagram components are these. So you can see an action, a step in the activity wherein the users or software performing a given task. In Lucidchart, actions are symbolized with round edge rectangles. And the decision node is a conditional branch in the flow that is represented by a diamond. It includes a single input and two or more outputs. And the control flows are another name of the connectors that show the flow between steps in the diagram. And the start node is symbolizing the beginning of activity. The start node is represented by a black circle. End node is representing the first final step in the activity. The end node is represented by an outlined black circle. These are the activity diagram components. So these are the symbols like we talk about it: start node, action set, control flow, decision flow, fork, join, end steps. As I told you, this is how it goes. Black circle, something like this. So let's go to the activity diagram notations. These are the notation: initial sets, starting stage before an activity takes place and despite an initial set. This is the initial set. Final state is the state which system reaches when specific process ends in, known as final state. So you can see state or activity box. Decision box is a diamond shaped box like this, which represents a decision with alternate paths. It represents the flow of control. Let's go to the last, like developing an application for CAP services. This is an application for CAP services that we have done by using an activity diagram. This is an activity diagram for application for a CAP service. As you can see, this is the client, operator, manager, report generation, analysis report per day. All this go to the report generation, and client and the operator are like order and order reply. These are the clients and drivers, cars and reports. All this information is on this activity diagram, as you can see. So this is what is an activity diagram is. I think you'll get a knowledge by watching this. Thank you.